Today, let's learn about nested and multi-input comprehensions. So first, let's start by recalling the basis of comprehensions. Comprehensions provide a compact syntax for generating new list sets or dictionaries from iterable. The standard format looks like expression for item in iterable if condition. This is equivalent to a loop, but it's shorter, more expressive, and often easier to read. Today, we'll look at two powerful extensions: nested comprehensions and multi-input comprehensions. So what are nested comprehensions? They allow us to handle multi-level loops, especially with nested data structures like list or like list of list. The nesting corresponds to multiple loops just written in line. So we just go through an example to understand this. Here we have variable called matrix, and we have a two list kind of assigned to it. Okay, and both of them are like um integer only. So we have another variable called flat, and this is x for row in matrix for x in row. Print flat. So basically, this combines two of the list and gives us one single list. Let's see the multi-input comprehensions are similar, but instead of nested structures, they iterate over multiple independent iterables. This is useful for creating combination or processing parallel data sources. So let's try one of the example how what it means. So here we have a variable we list which is assigned to a variable, and here we have another list which is assigned to like another variable. So we're defining new variable here like pairs, and we are saying n comma 1 for n in nums and for l in letters. Okay, and we are saying print pairs. So basically what is happening is it's like taking one is taking A and two is taking B. Okay, so it's going to pair, like it's going to give one another, like so it generates all possible pairs for N and L. This is equivalent to double loop but much cleaner. The pattern for N is num and for L is letter. So it gives us all the possible pairs here. So suppose we had a 4 here. Okay, it would have given us one more list like 4 comma A and 4 comma B. That what is called multi-input comprehensions. So these are some example and use cases where we can use it. Okay, and we guys can practice it out. For summaries, like it is like nested comprehensions enter multi-level loops elegantly within a single expression. Multi-input comprehensions work over multiple independent iterables. They make code shorter. Readability is the key to avoid order overly deep nesting when possible. So this is all about nested comprehensions. Thank you for watching.